Namaste all. Good evening. My name is Solom. Today we are here at the studio in Nottingham. I'm going to be talking about myself, how I started my handpan journey. Firstly, I'm not a musician. So the good news is if you want to become a handpan musician, you can start right away. There's no saying no to it. 5 years back in 2020, during the world was hit with COVID, I started my handpan journey. The first instrument that I bought for myself was a ravwas. As you can see it in my hand, it's slightly heavy. It's around 6-7 kilos. But the best part is the way it sounds. Now that vibration is what got me started, and I'm an avid reader. So at that point in time, I was reading a book called Outliers by Malcolm Gladwell. The first chapter, it says 10,000 hour theory. So I'm here chasing my 10,000 hours. As we speak today on the 31st of Jan 2025, I've done around 1,407 hours over the last 5 years of playing my handpan and other percussion instruments. Currently, the inspiration that takes me is I want to create more music because the more I play these instruments, it touches a lot of people. It's touched so many people in India. I use this instrument to perform yoga. I do this. I do some breathwork sessions in Nottingham and back home as well in India at times. And the way this instrument helps people to just connect with themselves, to bring themselves in sync, and all that happens because of the vibrations and the frequencies that come out of this instrument. Now, these instruments are essentially made out of stainless steel. This one, the ravwas, is made around 6 or 7 millimeters of steel. So you can hear the sustain, which stays with me for a long time, as compared to the handpan, which is right next to me. It is made out of 1.25 millimeters of stainless steel. Again, this is a very sensitive instrument, so it needs to be played with a lot of calmness, and that is what it helps you with, because it connects you so much. It makes you calm from the vibrations that you get out of these. Going forwards, my plan is to mix a lot of electronic music with my handpans. I've got a few tracks already on YouTube and Spotify, as my artist name is Solom. Now, one would ask, what does Solom mean? So my real name or God-given name was Pranav, is Pranav Bhadia. Pranav in Sanskrit means Om, and Sol, as we all know, in European means the sun. So as when Sol meets Om, which is as long as the sun shines on me, the brand or the artist name Solom goes on. If you want to listen to more music, please look at my Instagram channel or YouTube channel. Namaste. Today I'm going to be playing some of my tunes. The first one of them is going to be Along the Trent, because that's where my journey started. It's right at the Victoria Embankment in Nottingham. I'm a big fan of feeding the birds and the swans across along the Trent Bridge and near the River Trent. So that's been my place of practice, where out of the 1,400 hours that I mentioned earlier, I put around 600 to 700 hours practicing there whilst I've fed these birds. So the first tune that I'm going to play, it's called Along the Trent. I'm going to be playing a little snippet out of it. For the main tune, you can go on YouTube or Spotify. Here it is. So now we're going to play a different scale. This is an actual handpan made by Meridian Handpan in the UK, Bristol. It's a G auxilista scale. So how it works in a handpan, it's a circular piano, you can call it, but the pricing works as per the notes. So the amount of notes is equal to the price. So higher the notes are, the more the notes, the more money you pay for that. So this one has got 16 notes, as you can see. There's 4 notes on the bottom, which takes us all the way from a bass note to the highest note available on the scale. I'm going to be playing a tune which I usually play for my breathwork sessions. All I want you to focus on is your own breath. Just see the way how something is entering through your nostrils, going back of your throat and going in and giving you that energy. But try and connect it with the music.